Welcome back. In this ArcGIS using Python tutorial, we will learn how to draw shapes on our desired coordinates using only Python commands. Back to our Jupyter, let's run our known commands and have our map. Let's clear our map, it is not necessary in this point. Now from ArcGIS.geometry import point. Let's create a variable called pt, which is equal to point, parentheses, curly bracket, the x and y position. Print also pt. Finally, let's draw our point. As you can see, we have created a point on our map. We can similarly draw the same point by using only the x and y variable. Copy and paste the coordinates in curly brackets. Clear our map and run again the draw command. As you can see, we have created the same point. Now from ArcGIS.geometry import multipoint. Create a new variable called mpt, which is equal to multipoint, parentheses, curly brackets, points, they are points, and a 2D array. Print also the coordinates. Run this command. As you can see, we have a 2D array. The first row is our first point, the second row is the second point. Let's draw them on our map. Back to our map. Zoom out. As you can see, we have our 2 points. Now from ArcGIS.geometry import polyline. Create a variable called pln is equal to polyline, parentheses, curly bracket, paths, it is a path, we're creating a line, and a 3D array. Getting from inside out, we have our first point, our second point, join them with a line. It is the second couple of brackets. We can have more than one line, separated with commas inside the third couple of brackets. Run the command. Also print the coordinates. Let's draw them on our map. As you can see, we have our first line. Clear our graphics. Our pln variable is equal to polyline, parentheses, curly bracket, paths, we are creating lines. Inside the third couple of brackets, we have our first line and the second line, separated with commas. Run the command, print also the coordinate. It is a 3D array. The first row is our first point, the second row is the second point, the first matrix is our first line, the second matrix is the second line. Draw them on our map. Back to our map, as you can see, we have 2 lines. Let's clear our graphs. Now from ArcGIS.geometry import polygon. Create a new variable, plg is equal to polygon, parentheses, curly bracket, rings, it is a closed loop, and a 3D array. Getting from inside out, we have 4 points inside the second couple of brackets. We can have more than one polygon, which will be separated with commas inside the third couple of brackets. It is a 3D array. Print also the plg.coordinates. To see the 3D array. It is our 4 points. Draw them on our map. Also draw the first point of our polygon. Back to our map. As you can see, we have created a polygon, also pointed the first point. Going back to PyCharm, giving the same commands to create our polygon and draw the first point. Let's run our script. Connecting to our server. As you can see, we have the exact same results, the polygon and the first point. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.